Right, after it's been raining, you may well find your sweet peas covered with raindrops. This can cause two problems. One, if the raindrops are left on, it can cause markings, and the other one is a lot of rain, it can cause them to bend over. Now, if you're not going to pick them and you just want to leave them on the plant, as you go by, just give them a shake, and this will break up the drops. It won't clear it completely, but it will help. If you've picked your sweet peas and they're covered in raindrops, it's quite a simple way of clearing the raindrops off. Pick a small bunch of them, raise them above your head and swiftly but smoothly swish, swish, and there they are clear, apart from some small droplets which will evaporate quite quickly once you're inside in the dry.